I'm Lev, Head of Enterprise Systems, Data and AI at Salvation Army. And my job is really to take the hype of AI and turn it into a productive value. Our organization has been going through quite a transformation, like technology transformation over the last 5 to 7 years. For us, it is really about maximizing value of everything and doing things right. And it's really important because ultimately we are dealing with people in need. And for us, it is all about that compassion. When it came to AI, it started off with putting people at the center. Our first major focus was rolling out Microsoft Copilot across the organization and supported by structured training. And we called it AI for Everyone, to give confidence to every officer, employee, volunteer to serve people with compassion and innovation. Doesn't matter the size of the organization. If organizations are not addressing the issues, not providing the tools, the corporate tools, their employees will still go out and use AI tools themselves, not because of, bad faith, but because they want to do more, they want to do better. That creates that risk of the shadow AI. And what was interesting that we found that the issue, it wasn't to do with the technologies or ideas and the budgets, but that what we had was the right structure previously in place in terms of the data and the governance that allowed us to really accelerate it. We don't expect every person to be an AI or a data person. They need to start that level of maturity, but they only need to get so far to say that I'm now able to really articulate my ideas. And that center of enablement has the capabilities of best practices in terms of AI, in terms of data, in terms of processes. And that it helps those individuals, almost like a factory. So each department can have their own service because there's much more to it. There's the governance, the data and security, but we will take that care of that for them. Start with caution and thinking about what you need to get right. But at the same time, I would say take this as an incredible opportunity to connect with individuals, teams and departments, because that's what's really gonna, propel the adoption.